Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys a couple of things that I picked up. You guys know spring is around the corner, so your girl is, trying to upgrade her wardrobe a little bit. And if you guys have been following me for a minute, you know that I don't really do jewelry like that. So I did pick up a couple of jewelry pieces so that I could just amp up my wardrobe a little bit. So yeah, if you want to see what I got, make sure you subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that you never miss when I upload a video, and give this video a thumbs up. So the first things that I picked up from H&M, I will show you, I'm wearing right now, are these earrings right here. I just think that they are so pretty. I don't like big earrings, and if you guys know me, I'm always wearing my pearl studs because I just don't like big earrings, but I'm trying to put myself out there, trying to change a little bit, especially as my style is going back to corporate style, and I'm trying to up my game a little bit, So these are really nice earrings. They're really pretty. The next thing that I got is this necklace right here. It's just such a pretty necklace again, and it's kind of going with my Valentine's Day theme. I'm trying to plan some Valentine's Day content, so I thought this was perfect. It's just a nice heart necklace. The necklace was $9.99 and the earrings were $5.99. The next pair of earrings that I got are these ones. These are super cute, and you guys can see it's like gold. I like the kind of like the diamondy detailing on it. I think it's really pretty, and these were $7.99. and like I said, I'm trying to level up, and I think this is cute. I got the same earring as well in like a silver color. I'm not too much of a fan of silver jewelry, but I think sometimes you have to switch it up, and especially for this kind of jewelry, like they are like costume jewelry pretty much. And so if you want it to last longer, yeah, you have to be able to switch them out, and side by side, and these were both $7.99. The next pair of earrings that I got were actually on clearance. I found it in the clearance section. They were $4, and they are these gold ones right here, and I think these are pretty as well. If you want to have like a statement piece, I think these are nice. And then, or like if you're going on a date, if you have like a wedding coming up, I have a wedding coming up this summer that I'm excited for, so like I can wear this. Here are the next earrings that I got. Again, trying to do some more silver. Like Zara has a pair of these, but I just never got them, and I finally got these. These were $12.99. But once again, it's kind of like, this is gonna be cute to wear with like some dresses. Yeah, so yeah, you guys will definitely be seeing me styling these. If you guys have any suggestions on what to wear with these, please send me a DM on Instagram. Next is necklace. I just got another one of these. Oh, those were $12.99 in case I didn't say. But I got another one of these like layering necklaces. I think this is nice as well, so you guys can see. Just a nice layering piece, kind of similar to this one. I think this is also really nice, so I can interchange, because I had gotten one like pendant type necklace, and then it like the gold wore off because I did have it for a while. So this is nice. I got this chain one right here. I think this is cute with some pieces that I have. You could wear this with a dress, with a t-shirt. I think it's just gonna be really nice like spring and summer. This was $7.99, and then the other one I just showed was $5.99. The last jewelry piece that I did get is this right here. It's another chain, but it's just a thinner one. This one was $5.99, and then my plan is to be able to like layer it. So I don't know if you guys can see, I can layer it like this too if I want to make it chunky, or sometimes you can just wear them by itself. So those are all the jewelry stuff that I got from H&M. And then I did find these. So these were on sale, and these were on sale for I think $12.99. Yes, they were on sale for $12.99. Look at these. They're so pretty. They are just like a nice sling back, closed-toed, pointed toe flat, and these are just really pretty, I think. I like the chain detailing. I'm definitely gonna be styling these in future videos as spring is around the corner. Here in snowy New York, I don't know when spring is coming. I'm definitely gonna be styling these for you guys. I just think they're so pretty and so nice, and only 12 bucks, so yeah. And then the last things that I got are like undergarment pieces. They were on sale. I'll show you guys this bra right here. It was on sale, so I did pick this up as well. I think, yeah, they were $4. They were on sale for $4. So, and that is the white one. And usually I don't show like undergarment stuff that I get, but advice for you guys who are married women, who are going to be married women one day. You need to have these kind of items because they get torn, they get ripped, they get messed up. So yeah, I think you know what I'm trying to say. So as a tip for a woman, a lady, you always want to keep up with having like nice undergarments. And I know some, especially like Christian people, sometimes they struggle with that, thinking that like as a Christian person, like you're not supposed to wear lingerie. When you are a married Christian woman, you need to, because yes, we're a Christian couple, but guys, we're human as well. And so yeah, keep your lingerie collection fresh. I'll just leave it at that. Yeah, so that is pretty much everything that I got from H&M. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know your favorite items that I showed. And if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more of these types of videos, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also click on that subscribe button if you've made it this far, sis. When you guys like, when you guys comment, when you guys interact with me, YouTube is able to push my videos out to more people. Okay, we are Christian bosses on this channel, so yeah, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe. I hope you guys like this kind of content. I'm trying to diversify my content a little bit for you guys, so if y'all like that, that'll help me out. Bye.